This is my raw vegan burger. It is absolutely delicious and worth the effort. Let's get started with my carrot burger buns. So you're gonna save the carrot mulch left over from juicing your carrots. So never throw that away. I use it for so many recipes. Along with the carrot mulch, you're going to add in flaxseed, ground flaxseed that is, along with a couple of other ingredients, mix that together. And for this, you just transfer onto your dehydrator sheet, shape into your desired burger shape size, and you're gonna dehydrate for about 12 hours. Very, very simple. You can alter this recipe even with any other vegetable mulch. You don't have to use the carrot. Anything left over from your green juice, that works just as well. Next, I'm moving to my burger. This is a seasoning mix that I am using for my mushrooms. A bit of fresh herbs, spices, and just a dash of olive oil. This is going right onto my baby portobello mushrooms. Fresh, organic, washed, and I am going to massage these along with my seasoning mix. Feel free to freestyle the seasonings according to your preference. As you can see here, I'm massaging these until they're nice and soft. In addition, I add in just a bit of flax meal. This brings my mixture together, and I repeat the exact same step that I did with my carrot burger buns. I'm going to transfer this onto my dehydrator tray and dehydrate for another 12 hours. I'm gonna actually dehydrate these together for about 12 hours. The temperature was about, I believe it was anywhere from 105 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I am moving forward to some of my burger toppings. I have some freshly sliced red onions, freshly sliced tomatoes, some freshly sliced cucumbers, and of course, freestyle your toppings according to your preference. In addition to the cucumbers, I have some avocado that I'm just going to season or lightly smash and season. And this is going to go right onto my burger bun. So as you can see here, this is that avocado, and like I said, right onto my burger buns. As you can see, they're nice and dried, they're moist, they're soft, just a really, really good texture. So I have my avocado spread. On top of my avocado, I have my mushroom burger that has been nicely dehydrated, perfect texture, has a little bit like a mushroom jerky texture. It's really nice. My fresh cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, a little bit of sea salt too. And that is it. I'm gonna close this up and absolutely enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.